friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Explain to Explore from me, and that means KGM. And now in this video, as I have or I had means promised that in the next video I'm going to show you some little example or some small examples of how to represent a code through flowchart. So first of all, I will try to write down a very simple code, and I will try to write down the related flowchart side by side so that you can relate them very easily. So let me write on a very simple code. That is very simple means I am writing the code in C language. So one thing I should mention that the flowchart can be used for any language, so there is no problem in language because flowchart is a common or is common for all languages. So from after getting different shapes or symbols or how they are working, what are the different steps in that particular algorithm, you can get them from the flowchart, and you can change that flowchart, convert that flowchart into a particular syntactical code of any language. That is completely different depending upon you. Now I am going to write down a very simple code that is written in C, that is printf hello world. So I think this is a very common program you usually see in the means book. Any language, if you are studying any language, you will get that particular code or particular means program at the first time in every program. So now let me show you how this program can be, or this code can be converted into a very simple flowchart. So as I had shown that there are few symbols. If you have not seen that particular video, I'll request you to go to that video and please take up a proper idea of different shapes and symbols, so that you will be able to understand what are the different shapes we are having and what are the exact means responsibility. Though during this video I will also explain you how to means write down, or what are the different how to draw rather, and what are the different responsibilities of each symbols in detail. But still, if you're having any if you are having any query regarding the symbols, you can visit my another video, or you can see that, check that video, and I will give the description, I will give the link in the description below. So I hope it will help you to understand what are the more different shapes we are having. So as you can see, as I had already said, we are having one basic symbol, that is oval shape or rounded rectangle, as I have already said, is used for start and stop purpose, and the next one is for displaying any value or other input and output purpose. So that's why you can see this is, if I write down in this way, if I put a number on that particular step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3, so you can relate them with the code in this way: 1, 2 and 3. So I hope it will help you to understand how I am converting each and every code into a particular flowchart. So I hope this will help you to understand. Now I am proceeding towards the next code. So before that, let me remove that one. I am removing that code and everything, so that I can draw the next code here, or next part over here. So if you are getting some information, or if you are getting some help from this code, so I will request you to please like my video, and please share and subscribe, because it will help me to do more work, or prepare more video, and it will help me to rather, it will encourage me to means think further and do something good for you. And in this situation, I think this online platform is very much important right now, so that you can get some information. So coming back to the code, in this code I am going to take two values from the user, and I'm not explaining the code in detail because I will explain them in the next session when I will get time, or I will prepare some other video, and I will explain each and every means syntax, each and every functions in detail, so that you can get some detailed example of or detailed idea of how code can be written in C programming. Basically I am working for, or I am trying to design these videos for C programming first, and then I will convert them into other programming languages also. So in this channel, just try follow them, follow the channel, and I hope you will be help you will be getting some help through this channel. So as you can see, I have designed a very simple, or I have written a very simple code in which we are taking some value from the user and trying to add them. That is a very simple code. So I'm trying to write down the flowchart side by side, because this video, whatever the video I am designing or drawing right means creating right now, is mainly for the students, for the person who is trying to get job in different means IT companies. So they normally ask for designing some code. So though they are not asking you to design, or they are not going to ask you to design some flowchart, but still it will help you to means develop your logic sense. Okay, fine. So as you can see, I am just writing the printf statement, or whatever the means message you are going to print in the screen. As you can see, this as I am not having much space here, so I am not writing that in writing in detail. That means enter two values. I have written just only enter the values. Now I am going to take value from the user, read a and b. Now I am going to do the addition. So as I had said in the last video, that the normal rectangle is used for doing some statement, or means writing some statement. That means just like means assignment or formula or something like that. So as you can see, I have written this code. I am just printing C without writing anything. The result is something like that. I am not writing everything in detail, but this is actually for representing that printf. So I will write down, or I will give the means step number, so that you will be able to get or you will be able to relate them very easily. So this video, I hope, very simple, very easy to understand, and still if anyone having any problem, please put your comment in the comment section, and do not forget to means if you are having any problem, do not forget to send me email. I will also share my email ID, and there is no problem. I am here to help you for any kind of logical or programming related problem. So okay, so I have given the numbers, and that's that, so that you can see over here. So this is your step number one. So these three lines is included within the step one. Now printf, that is also represented through this symbol or shape. Scanf is also represented through this symbol or shape. This formula or equation, whatever you can see, whatever you can see rather, sorry, through this symbol. And this printf is also displayed or represented through this symbol. And the last curly bracket is represented or representing the end of the code, and I have written over here stop. So that these are very basic two examples of how to represent a code, or how to write down a code. I hope you have got some knowledge or idea how to write down few simple code, or how to convert few simple codes into means flowchart. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I will expect some like, some comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get notification directly. And also do not forget to share this video among your network and throughout your friends. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.